Hello, today we will guide you through how to scale shared content to fit the screen in Zoom. If you've ever shared your screen in Zoom and noticed that the content doesn't quite fit properly for viewers, this setting can help make your shared material display more cleanly and consistently. We'll walk through where to find it in the Zoom desktop app and how to turn it on. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're in the main Zoom window, where you can access your account and application settings. If Zoom is already running, simply bring it to the front so you can follow along. Once the app is open, move to the top right corner of the Zoom window and click on your profile account icon. This is the area where Zoom keeps account-related options, preferences, and app controls. Clicking there will open a small menu with several choices. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings panel for Zoom, where you can customize different parts of the app, including audio, video, chat, and screen sharing behavior. If you don't see the option right away, make sure the menu is fully expanded before selecting it. Inside the settings window, look for the Share Screen section and click on it. This area contains the options that affect how your screen sharing experience works, including display behavior and content presentation. It's the section you'll want anytime you need to adjust how shared material appears during meetings. Now, in the Share Screen settings, look for the toggle labeled Scale to Fit Content. Once you find it, click the toggle to enable it. When this setting is turned on, Zoom will adjust shared content so it fits the available screen space more effectively. This can be especially helpful when you're sharing documents, presentations, or other windows that might otherwise appear too large or slightly cut off for participants. After enabling the setting, you can close the settings window. Zoom typically saves this kind of preference automatically, so there's usually no extra save button required. The next time you share your screen, this display setting should already be applied. As a quick tip, if your shared content still doesn't look quite right during a meeting, it may also help to check the size of the window you're sharing before you begin. A well-sized window, combined with this setting, can make your presentation easier for everyone to view. That's all it takes to scale shared content to fit the screen in Zoom.